Fetch AI continues to hold within our key area of support between the 1.37 and the 1.211 USDT, and at the time of this recording we are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is also acting as support for us to continue pushing higher. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and I totally believe that in the next coming hours we are going to see another massive breakout to the upside. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas, give you my long-term and my short-term price prediction analysis, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. We started a very impulsive movement to the upside in a move that peaked above the $1.652, completing the formation of this Elliott wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of an Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked here on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are very high chances that we now have a low in place for the wave 2, and in the next coming days we are going to see another impulse to the upside in an Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $2. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in an Elliott wave count 5. That is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term, and the $2 is my next target area for that possible breakout that can play out the moment we manage to break above resistance above the 1.48 and also manage to break above the significant high we made above the $1.65. We also need to have in mind that we can also get a worst case scenario in case we lose this red target area over here, which means that we will be seeing a total invalidation of this Elliott wave structure that I have here on the charts, suggesting a more bearish case scenario where we can find support at the 0.949, where we have our next key area of support. I also have a long-term price prediction analysis that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where we first peaked in this 5-wave structure to the upside in a move that peaked above the $1.745, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas highlighted on the charts we fully maximized, and then started another impulse to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $2.763. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. On the long term, I still believe that we are going to see more than a 10x in this bull market, where I believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulse to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, giving us the high for this Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a wave 2, fully maximizing the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And there are very high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming months we are going to see another impulse in an Elliott wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an Elliott wave count 5, in a move that will take us to new all-time highs and possibly give us more than a 10x to the upside. So that is all I'm expecting on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.